Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, we are into the success story and we are having Angel with us. Hey, Angel, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm fine.
Right, great to know.
Okay.
So,
How are
thanks
you?
I'm good as well. Thanks for being a
Okay.
part of this success story. And
Um,
let's have a quick introduction to the audience about you.
okay, sir. My name is Angel. I'm from Kerala. I'm a computer science and engineering graduate. And after that, from DataMites, I took artificial intelligence engineer course. And now I've been placed as an artificial intelligence engineer in Digitus Business Solutions.
Oh, that's great to know about. So, we have interacted, right, in the classes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I've been
yeah.
attending your classes.
That- Quite a bit, yeah, of course. Good, and actually feels good. And so, what exactly you have been enrolled? I mean, not enrolled, but what designated things has been given to you? AI engineer in specific,
AIML engineer.
AIML engineer. All right. So, be ready. You have to work on the production now. Since the role is AIML engineer, they're gonna make
Yes,
you
sir.
work over the productions. Um, that's good. Basically, we have advanced through the section where the data scientists used to work only in development zone, but
Yes,
now
sir.
we have moved
And
into the
even
productions now.
production.
We are actually doing the production way. That's great. So when did you pass your computer science engineering, Anjali?
I passed out in 2023, and
Okay. So
after
you
that,
you
I
were
took some
from
courses.
you basically you were from computer science, so you already had like Python, Java, and coding
Yes,
experiences, right?
yes, sir.
So did that help here?
It helped, but even though I think here I got the basis on statistics and algorithms
Uh-huh.
and everything.
Statistics and everything is okay. I talked about because the moment somebody says
Hello.
oh, I thought it's your network, but eventually I think it was my network.
No, sir. It is from your end. Fine.
No, 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 no. No, so what I was initially asking is that
Uh-huh.
when we talk about the data science, we talk about programming, and since you are from a
Yes,
computer
sir.
background, so did your programming skill help you in going forward along with the data science course?
Yes, sir. Like I do have knowledge in Python and SQL, and for this interview, it helped me too.
Okay, so in your interview, basically they try to hit which area of machine learning because since you are AI ML engineer, I hope they have touched all the parts. Where exactly?
They have explored from every part, and
Hmm.
mostly my projects are from like in my resume. There is data science project, so they asked about like ML algorithms and everything from that end only. And
Okay.
also they've been asked if I have knowledge in LLM, NLP, and everything. If I'm interested on those topics too, these also have
Hmm.
helped me.
Okay. So, since you have completed your AI, and did they
Mhm.
ask about the Gen AI and large language models and these kind of advancements as well in the interview?
They've been only asking what I described
Uh,
in my projects only.
hmm,
So this is my first interview from DataMites. So the
hmm,
resume included only my data science projects. So they
hmm.
asked from that perspective, and they also asked if I'm interested in GenAI. I told them that I'm interested, and
Okay.
also I took course from that.
Okay. So, did you make any projects? I mean, when I say projects, I'm not talking about the data science project. I'm talking about any project based on chatbot, LLM, MCP, agentic AI, anything like that.
Now that from, but I prepared like a recommendation system, emotion detection systems
All
from
right.
my end.
These are all
It's
also
also helped
great.
me. Okay.
These are great. This is going to be all-time greats. These are the recommender engine. This is going to be
Uh,
all-time favorite. And this is an old algorithm, but still it's the favorite one. Nobody
Still,
can
it
say
is
that.
a relevant
Yeah,
topic.
relevant topic for sure. All right. So how did you prepare your resume?
Sir, from my end, I do have a resume, but the PAT team helped me to modify based upon that interviews and everything. And also, like, I do have a problem that my projects were only I described in 2 lines and everything. So the
Mm-hmm.
PAT team help me. They told me that you should write in 5 points and also describe your skills that you used on that project. And it's also helped me to be shortlisted in interviews.
Okay. So, what kind of projects you have put? You told that you put some data science project, right? In
Yes,
your.
sir, like car price prediction, like in finance, gaming, and
Mhm.
also healthcare, and then also uh, gaming, finance, and car price prediction, and also customer transaction prediction. These were my projects that I were used in my resume.
So these projects are from outside, or you have got from Datamites itself?
From DataMites end, and it is data science projects. And I also done projects in AI, like pneumonia classification, dog breed classification, and also
Okay.
Indian Sign Language. These were also done.
So majorly you have put data science projects.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So basically the questions were asked from the resume itself, or they were asking questions from outside. And how many rounds of interviews or how many rounds of things happened?
It's been like 4 to 5 rounds, and I love to say it 4 rounds. The fifth round was HR round, and
Mm-hmm.
the first round was like including our aptitude, Python, SQL, and also ML basics, and it is easy to tackle. Then and the second round was like ML coding round. They included everything from making a data frame to deployment. They've been asking on that coding round. We have to write it, and the third round was technical round. They've been asking what I technical questions in my projects, in from my resume that I mentioned that I know. And
Mm.
the fourth round was they've been asking questions from like from our projects, how we will make it work on the real world and how we will do in deployment and everything. And last one was HR round.
Okay, including the
Yes, sir.
HR. I mean,
Actually, I've been also like got confident after that interview. Yeah, I can go through all this.
that's absolutely wonderful, actually. And
Yes,
I
sir.
hope that your confidence must have boosted as well after this interview. Because clearly, for 4 rounds and technically 4 rounds are all technical. No matter what, they're asking
Yes,
you to write code or they want
yes,
you to
sir.
be sit face to face. So,
Mhm.
as you said, like in the interview, which area was more important, most important out of all the areas? I mean, the modules, Python, SQL, data frame, data anywhere.
They've been focusing. You should know about every logic that you should know from the basics, and they've been asking about from basics to from one question to other question. That if I told one, and they
Mm,
will go from there to other. So you
mm,
should answer carefully. If you knew only, you should use that words, I think. And
mm. So, if I have to ask you about giving the weightage Python versus SQL, which is having more weightage in the market,
I didn't hear you, sir.
there is a Python, there is a SQL, you have to give weightage, which is having more weightage.
Ah, both are important, but
Both
for
are
an
important.
AI/ML engineer, I think Python is most important so that we can use for like deployment, model building, training, and everything. And also for SQL, like querying and everything, we should know SQL too. So
Okay.
Python is have more weightage. It is more useful.
Mm, great. So, the good thing, I think that, I mean, still, you're from computer science, so you must be having this
Mhm.
coding skill set beforehand itself. But I
Yes,
get
sir.
this question from a lot of people that are not from coding background. Like I myself from electrical background, but I changed the complete domain now
Mhm.
over here.
Yes, sir.
So I don't think that coding is important, but it will hardly take some practice, and eventually will become.
Yes, sir. Practice is actually important.
Yes,
Uh,
practice is something which is very important, and
yes, sir.
eventually we have to, because this is a very common question that we understand the logic, we do this that, but when we
Mhm.
start coding, we forgot all the codes. Uh,
Mm.
Question directly from my mind, it's the question of everyone, and including me: is coding is going to get replaced? What do you think?
I think it is going to be replaced, even though we have Copilot, ChatGPT, and everything. But we should know how to use these
Exactly.
tools. we should have the logic. We should know how to we should know the data flow so that we are maintaining it, right? So we should know how to use all these kind of things. We should know the knowledge and we should be updated about new tools. And this
Mm,
is my perspective.
that is correct. We have a question in the Q&A from the anonymous attendee. How was the placement support from Datamites?
It is actually being so great. After the mock interview, I got mail from that team and they told me to send my resume and it is got updated. They told me the mistakes in my resume and then I've been getting mails and this is the first interview that I've been applied from Datamites and the first one that I got and
Hmm.
everything went fast after the mock interview. We should trust the process.
All right. This is a very question that I was anyways about to ask. Can you please list one or two questions? Just wanted to check how does the questions of actual interview look like?
Actually, we should focus on like mock interview. They will also give us materials, and there they've been given us each questions that have been asked in a certain topic. So, like if in logistic regression, they will give us like 30 questions or something from the party, so that we can prepare for the mock interview. So that's how I've been prepared and the questions that have been asked, like metrics and every algorithm, like linear regression, logistic, random forest, boosting algorithms, bagging, and everything we should know. We should have the basics. And we should know about some basic of Python coding and some SQL. And we can tackle that if I think if you know all
Okay.
these kind.
Apart from learning from data mice, do you used to use some external sources, some YouTube or some book or something like that?
Yes, I use Krishna is a source from YouTube that I've been referred, and also his GitHub pages, some of the GitHub projects, and also some of the Medium stories that I've been read for updation, and also Kaggle data sets for doing
Hmm.
myself my projects, and
Hmm.
also ChatGPT is my source of learning. Other than that,
That.
I used to make my own notes and I also given my doubt on this kind of data set. What should I do next and everything.
Hmm.
ChatGPT is a nice source to learn. So these were the other things.
Angel, have you joined the organization or yet to join?
I had to join, sir. A third
Yet to
number
join
is
because I
my
was about to
project.
ask about your stack basically, that what exactly you are working. But since I think you don't know that because
And don't know.
and they ask this question to you that are you interested in Gen AI, right?
Yes, they've been asked like there are some projects that is related to that, and they've been looking for like candidates for that kind of projects. I think for
Great.
large language models, Gen AI. And
Yeah, correct. What are the projects which are very important for AI related roles? Anonymous have any question?
um, I think whatever you have done, you should know what you've done on that. You should know if you're mentioning about like ML projects and everything, you should know about data pre-processing, feature engineering. What is the relevant of the topic? How we can deploy onto the real world applications, and you should know about the project. The interviewer not looking onto what you have done like NLP or Gen AI projects or something. You should know have the knowledge, but
Mhm.
they've been focusing on if you're done that project, do you know how to deploy that in the real world? How you
Yeah,
make
correct.
that work? Do you have the logic on that? So
Correct.
it is the thing that if
Correct.
you are interested in this kind of topics, you should know what you've done on that project.
Correct. Uh, Anil has asked, the question has come from YouTube. How many capstone and how many client projects you have done?
Actually, capstone projects for data science were four, and the capstone projects for AI were four. And also, I got one client project, and that's that's all.
Yeah. Vikas has a question. I think he has asked from which branch you completed. You're from AI, right? Data science plus AI. Data
Data
science
science
plus
plus
AI.
AI.
All right. And another question is, and how many months did you get placed after completing the course?
Actually, my course, you were also took
Mhm.
my course in
Yeah, correct.
AI. After that, I took the mock interview, and within like 2 to 3 months after my course, I think. And
Yeah.
even though it is felt so long,
Uh,
but
it's going to feel because see, it's a part of learning. So even that waiting of, I'm not saying you need to have like a long waiting, but of course, these kind of waitings teaches a lot many things. And in between, the hustle comes and hustle lets you a little bit.
I know, I know about that hustle because I'm a 2023 pass out. After that, I want to be like in a part of MLA AI domain. So at that time, I've been working, and then I get into Datamites. Now I've been placed.
Mm,
So it is a
correct.
long procedure, but trust the process. Don't change.
Yeah, that is correct. But that's good that you have been placed. And one, I think that's the final question from my side. Where you see yourself after 5 years?
Um, I see myself like I want to be in the same domain as an AI engineer, and in the future, I think I want to focus on something like Gen AI or computer vision or NLP or something
Mhm.
that I love to, and then maybe lead a team and at least have 5 members to lead or something, and
Okay.
also help
That's
them.
I know, and in this field only, you want to grow in terms of, so you want to
Yes, sir.
manage machines and humans both.
Yes,
Since you're
sir.
an
Sir.
AI engineer, you are managing machines, and you need to manage people as well.
Yes, sir.
And how about saying AI is taking jobs away in the market? Should take it.
I don't think so. We should update ourselves to the better world and use AI for the better ideas and make it work. Like in
Mm,
healthcare, every domain, AI is so useful and also it will help us like reduce the time. And
that's correct.
we should update ourselves based on from the
That
technologies.
is that is that is correct. All right, Angel, that was good. Literally talking with you. Let me ask the team. Team, do we have any more questions? I think there's one question I missed. Anil has a question. After completion of all your projects, have attended the mock interview. I think he's asking about the mock interview, experience of the mock interview.
They can attend a mock interview after completing 2 projects and it is getting graded after getting graded. And myself, I done 4 projects and after that I attended the mock interview.
That is fine. You have the whole projects done. You have good amount of
Yes, sir.
experience and confidence as well. That is important.
Hmm.
All right, Angel, that's wonderful talking with
Thank
you, and we hope we are going to be in touch in future as well. So,
you. Me
thank
also.
you so much for
Thank you, sir.
attending.
Thank you so much. Have a
Thank you,
nice day.
team.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you, team. Thank you, everyone.